ICC because the International Criminal Court on Wednesday condemned economic sanctions imposed by the U.S. on Chief Prosecutor Fatou Bensouda and a member of staff at the prosecutor's office. The ICC said in a statement that the act is conceived, unprecedented and constitute serious attacks against the court. Details of that in this report by Juldenjai Suare.
The Hague-based court on Wednesday said that the new measures announced pursuant to a U.S. executive order on the 11th June 2020 are another attempt to interfere with the court's judicial and prosecutorial independence. The ICC is a UN-backed war crimes tribunal established by the Rome Statute that works to address grave crimes of concern to the international community. Fadi Al-Abdallah, a spokesperson for the ICC, said the court continues to stand firmly by its personnel and its mission to fight in impunity for the world's most serious crimes under international law, independently and impartially in accordance with its mandate. Meanwhile, in a statement read by a UN spokesperson, the UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres said, "The UN is concerned by the decision of the US to place sanctions on ICC prosecutor and the head of jurisdiction, complementary and cooperation division."
We continue to closely follow the developments on this matter. Cooperation between the United Nations and the International Criminal Court is founded on their relationship agreement, which was approved by the General Assembly in September of 2004. We will be analyzing any possible implications that this development may have with respect to the implementation of this relationship agreement. In line with previous statements of the Secretary of State, we trust that any restriction taken against individuals would be implemented consistently with the host country's obligations under the United Nations Headquarters Agreement.
U.S. troops are alleged to have committed war crimes in Afghanistan, and the ICC, which was established more than 15 years ago to seek justice for the victims of war crimes, crimes against humanity and genocide, began investigating the allegations. But the US, which has been largely a divisionary player in international politics under President Trump, said the ICC move is illegitimate since the US is not a signatory to the Rome Statute, which established the court. For iAfrica News, I am Juldenjai Suare.